Hello friends, this is Swapnil, and in this video I'm showing you how I personally earning BTT cryptocurrency, that is a BitTorrent cryptocurrency. So if you would like to earn BitTorrent, then this website is definitely for you. Without mining, I'm personally earning using this website. That website name is CoinPayu. I giving you description box link. But how I making that BitTorrent currency, I will show you here. Currently my main balance is 422 Satoshi. That is the worth of this Bitcoin, and how much it is worth in this 422 Satoshis I will be show you here by clicking this withdraw. If we are choosing that payer method as a part of USD currency, we want to check how much it is worth. So I just hit the button of confirm and see here, this is the 26 USD. Currently they show us you will get 26 USD if we want to withdraw that 422 Satoshis. Okay, and that Satoshi is how you can earn. That is, you just need to click here the view ads, surf ads, and then you just need to see here. You just need to click here the ads, and you will be on. Already I'm uh, clicking on that 31 ads. So remaining two ads are here. You can see here this is the one of the ad, and 0.9 Satoshis are created if I click here, and that only 10 seconds, and that is not necessary to stay here in this ad. You can see here this, if I go to the back here, the current seconds are showing here and not necessary to stay here, okay, in this ads. So it's not too necessary to see the particular watching a window. So you just need to click here and you can surf whatever you want to hear. Okay, so well, back to the session here. So that's how you can earn here the Satoshi. But main thing is here are the another faucet. Another faucet means here are the list of faucets available here, where you can choose your cryptocurrency, and they give us a chance to. Here you see here, this is the BitTorrent website, and here you just need to click here the claim button. Okay, once you click here, they go to the one page where you just see here, this is the another page, free BitTorrent available, claim the BitTorrent every 60 minutes. So if you click here, they just show the 10 seconds here to wait, and after 10 seconds we can claim our BitTorrent coin. So this is how I daily earning here BitTorrent per hourly, and it's a really good way to make BitTorrent cryptocurrency here. You can see here the Google captcha here. We just need to type captcha here the motorcycles. So clicking on motorcycles here, it's very simple. Just hit the button claim now, and how much I got, you can see here 0.21 BTT coins directly transferred to in my account. Okay, so specifically if you go to again here the faucet section, you see how much faucets are available here: Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Dash, Bitcoin Cash, Tron, Binance 2. Here's a BitTorrent, here is a Tether. If anybody want to, the USDT, I don't think so anybody want to swap just USDT, but still. And here's the Cardano. So whatever you want you can earn here. Okay, and currently my total BitTorrent is available here, the 12 BitTorrent. And if you click here the withdraw button, so you can't withdraw. Why? Because you need to 300 BTT to withdraw. But the main part of that website is, if you go to the dashboard, okay, and that is the worth of this Bitcoin. Okay, this is the 423, and if I click here the withdraw button, and here you can see they offer us directly withdraw via BitTorrent. So currently we just see here in payer account, here you see that is the worth of USD is 26, and again we need to go just withdraw button here and go to again here BitTorrent, click on confirm. If we want to withdraw that BitTorrent, the total of value of this Satoshi is 423 in USDT, that is at 26 cents, and in BTT they give us 84 cents. We can withdraw here, but the thing is here the minimum withdrawal limit is 1000 Satoshis. Okay, you can see here this is the currently in my balance is 423 Satoshis. So well, I think I'm done here. I'm giving you a description box link about that specific this website. If you want to join that website, it is okay, and this is definitely worth it, and this is a genuine website where I'm personally working, and it is not much, you can't reach here, anybody, not anybody reach here, but it's just a decent earning website where you can earn cryptocurrency here. Thank you for watching. If you like video, then like it.